The way people come to live in America is changing. Several new rules just came out in 2026 that affect millions of people looking for work, joining family, or seeking safety. Let's break down what's really happening. In May 2026, the government announced that people applying to become permanent residents, that's a green card, now have to prove their case is extraordinary. Before, as long as you didn't have serious problems, you could usually get one. Now it's much harder, especially if you apply from inside the United States. The government is now conducting deeper reviews of each person's immigration history and looking for any reason to say no, even small issues. The H-1B visa lets skilled workers come to America from other countries. In 2026, it got more complicated. The lottery now favors people with higher salaries, and there's talk of a big extra fee. Companies are being more careful about who they hire because of these costs. If you're marrying a U.S. citizen, expect to wait over a year. For work-based green cards, it could take even longer, sometimes years and years, especially if you're from countries like India or China where there are big backlogs. In February 2026, the government proposed making it much harder for people applying for asylum to get work permits. People used to get one after 150 days. Now they'd have to wait a full year, and might not get one at all if courts are too busy. The government just changed asylum rules in July 2026 to move cases faster. Now USCIS can send some asylum cases directly to immigration court without first talking to the applicant. This is meant to reduce the huge backlog. These 2026 changes make it tougher to get green cards, harder to wait for asylum cases, and more expensive for work visas. But America still welcomes hundreds of thousands of people every year. If immigration affects you or your family, talk to a lawyer who knows the latest rules, they're changing fast.